Hi viewers, ZENIQ Zin price prediction. Current update. I know my neighbor country Indian most interested ZENIQ project and big investor ZENIQ Indian peoples. So very good. ZENIQ last 24 hours near 1% increase, currently 0.25% increase. ZENIQ market cap $3.77 million. Next 7 days prediction forecast value rising 7% to 10%, increasing and reach 0.0972115. Current technical indicator sentiment is bearish. Win greed index 64, 48% green days and 5% volatility last 1 month. ZENIQ for technical analysis indicator bullish and 10 technical indicator signaling is bearish signals. ZENIQ support levels 0.089560, 0.088757 and 0.087895. Resistance level 0.091245, 0.091858 and 0.091245. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel. Goodbye.